Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about data centers and data center provider companies. So to manage these things, every company will follow two types of managing their data centers. One is they will buy data center services, and another thing they will inbuild in-house their data centers. But medium scale companies cannot afford that much of power and maintenance cost and IT employee cost for the data centers. So they will purchase the database from data center providers. There are few companies, among them Infibeam Avenue is one of the company. Friends, you all know about this Infibeam company, but not directly, indirectly. Whenever you are doing a transaction in e-commerce sites, you will see some brands like CC Avenue, Bill Avenue, RES Avenue, Infibeam Avenue, like that. These are the brands, and there are few brands also in Infibeam. They are .OO, Build a Bazaar for Enterprise, and they are doing businesses like 10 lakh merchants, 240 plus payment options, 27 multi-currency, 10 international and 8 domestic languages. Friends, their database was certified with 3-tier data center from Uptime Institution, and their core businesses is Infibeam Avenue Web Service, digital payments, infrastructure and platforms, and internet service provider. And whenever the load increases on the databases, they decreases the workload by public cloud with services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, blockchain, database as a service. With these services, they will manage the load on their data centers. And mainly we have to talk about Infibeam provides internet and e-commerce involved in digital payments, online retail and e-commerce, softwares and internet services. And the positive sides of this is recently it acquires AI fintech of US company to spread their wings in US also. And they are mainly focused on web and mobile based small and medium enterprises, and largely operating in the online and education, hospitals, travel and tourism industry under brand CC Avenue. Whenever payments, you will definitely see this CC Avenue, and so many clients it have. And recently commodity trader Ravi Om Prakash Agarwal increased his stack. In April he increased his stack to 5.65, and in June 21st he increased that to 7.11% in overall stack of Infibeam. So it's looking positive in future also. And another company is Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries in 2019 announced that it was partner with Microsoft to build Azure data centers across India for 10 years of partnership. The cloud data centers in India, which makes business eases, and workloads on the data centers will be decreases. And it initiated 2 data centers which can house IT equipment consumption up to 7.5 megawatt of power are being set up in the state of Gujarat. And next one is Tata Communications. Under Tata Group, Tata Communication managing data centers from last 10 years, 15 years onwards. It is maintaining data centers, and the positives are 74.99% promoter share and just 3.9% pledge share. And another company is Sterling and Wilson. It is also in the business of service providing or constructing data centers, and its promoter share is 77.22 and pledge is 48.23, and it's under SP Group company. Looking over these all and the investments which are coming from US, like top giant companies benefited India's growth on digitalization side. The core sector will benefit from this is database centers irrespective of which company they will invest. So friends, look at these stocks, support me, please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.